Hi everyone, namaste, welcome back to my channel. So आज की इस वीडियो में I'm just gonna do unboxing of Bling bag for the month of June. So this is the Bling bag I have. So let's just open and see what jewelry I have. So this is their box, their signature pink box as usual. So let's just open the box up and see what jewelry I have this time. Alright, so this is how the box looks from inside, and I have the info card here. So this time's theme is the June geometry game Bling bag. So I think this is basically related to all the jewelry in geometrical shapes. So yeah, that's what I'm expecting. Let's just check out the bag now. It's nicely bubble wrapped here. So this is how the Bling bag looks like. It's a sequins pouch and the changeable sequins pouch. I think, yeah, you can see it's getting golden here now. You can just write anything, draw anything, so that kind of pouch. So it's red and golden. So let's just open this up and see what jewelry pieces I have this time. And it also comes with a string, which is nice. You can just carry this pouch to any party or something. That's really nice. So the first thing I can see is this thing. So let's just see what it is exactly. Alright, so this is a bracelet. It's a very dainty piece, and this is kind of like a bluish green colored stone it has, and it's a very pretty dainty piece. And this one retails for 499 Indian rupees, approximately 500. So this is how it looks like on my wrist. Really nice, elegant, dainty piece. Let's just move to next jewelry piece. Alright, so the next jewelry piece is this one. These are earrings, and these look pretty. So this is how the earrings looks like, and these retails for 799 rupees. So I'm just gonna wear it and see how it looks on me. So this is how they're looking on me. They're really pretty, nice. Alright, moving on to next piece. I see this piece, and I think it's the last piece I have in this box. So this time I only got 3 pieces, which is weird because normally you get 4 pieces, and so I'm just having 3 pieces this time. So this is the last one. Let's just see what it is. So this is the last piece, and I think it's a neck piece. So let's just check it out. Yes, it's a necklace, and it's a beautiful necklace. Oh my god, I love this. Wow, it's so pretty. So this is how the necklace looks like. It's a really pretty. It has this ring and 2 wings kind of necklace, so you can just wear it according to you, whether you want to wear it like this or you want to wear it like this. It's totally up to you how you want to wear it, but it's a very beautiful piece, and it has little stones in it, which looks beautiful. And this neck piece retails for 1199 Indian rupees. So I totally love the neck piece. So that was it for June's Bling bag. That's kind of weird that they only have 3 jewelry options this time. I was expecting at least 4 as usual, but anyways, every piece is nice, and I loved it. I loved the bracelet as well. I loved these earrings, even the necklace is just beautiful. So also I have a discount coupon code for the Bling bag. If you're interested, I will be linking the coupon code in the description box, and you can also get a free bling using my code. So yeah, I'll be mentioning everything in the description box, so you can just check it out and subscribe it for yourself. Yeah, that's it for the video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, stay beautiful, stay healthy. Bye bye.